The installation procedure is the same for both the IQ3 2.0 and 2.1. Turn the controller over. On the back side, you'll see 4 screws that need to be removed. Once all 4 screws are removed, the housing can come apart. Carefully lift the circuit board out of the housing. Locate the knockout for the PoE. Use a tool to cut it out. Repeat the process for the PoE knockout on the other half of the housing. The PoE adapter comes with a small bag of mounting hardware and the PO board itself. Remove the protective foam covering the connector pins. When we're ready, those pins are going to slide into this connector. You'll flip the PoE board over so the connectors line up, and you'll notice there's 3 holes in the PoE board. They line up with these 3 holes in the main circuit board. Install one of the included PCB standoffs using one of the included screws into one of those 3 holes as shown. Repeat the process for the 2 remaining PCB standoffs. Flip the PoE board over and insert the connector pins from the PoE board into the connector terminal on the main PCB. Gently press down on the PoE connector, sliding the pins down into the terminal on the main circuit board. When everything is assembled properly, the PoE board will be sitting nicely on top of the PCB standoffs, and each standoff will be aligned with the 3 holes on the PoE board. Secure the PoE board in place using the 3 remaining screws. Be careful not to over-tighten them. On the top half of the housing, locate the USB-C hole and the PoE port hole. Locate the USB-C power port and the PoE plug on the circuit board. Carefully place the circuit board into the top half of the housing so the USB-C plug slides into the hole in the housing. Locate the PoE notch on the bottom half of the housing and use it to align the bottom half of the housing to the top and place them together. Reinstall the 4 screws. Be careful not to over-tighten them. Connect an Ethernet cable to a PoE port on your switch or router. Connect the other end of the cable to the PoE port on the Tailwind controller. If you only have a regular Ethernet port available, you can still plug that cable into the Tailwind controller, but you'll need to connect the USB-C power supply to provide power to the controller. Once you complete the setup in the app, the status light on your Tailwind controller should turn green, and it's ready to go. Please check out our YouTube channel, where you'll find a lot more helpful videos to help you explore all the fantastic features of the Tailwind system.